Best known as the right of choice for Agent Maxwell Smart, the Carroll Shelby-developed Sunbeam Tiger has made an art of confidently lurking in the shadow of the juggernaut Cobra. It's the car for those who consistently evade notoriety and value prime exclusivity over all-out ego. The product of a 3-year rotisserie restoration, this 65 Tiger backs 260 cubic inches of all-American V8 with nimble athletics, a sporty 4-speed, and the unparalleled glory of open-air driving. If you're a discerning enthusiast who's looking for old-school fun wrapped in timeless style, it's a smart choice for your next classic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.